What's going on, guys? Jake Unfiltered here. Okay, it was a rough day in the market today, huh, babe? Yeah, she agrees. So, her stocks that she bought, except for Apple, went down. So, she bought ChargePoint. That shit went down to $14.90. Dropped. Pretty much all these speculative stocks dropped about 8 to 6% today. Um, Except for Corsair Gaming, SNDL dropped good percentage. Well, Robinhood dropped like 7%. Like it just went up 7% yesterday, and it's just right back down. The S&P 500 dropped about 1 to 2%. Alibaba dropped 4.8%. Man, what's going on in the market? Let's check this out. I think that it was from, everybody, they're all trying to raise the interest rates. Nobody knows what's going on. Everybody's like, I gotta get out. Robinhood went back up. A lot of people sold out. They're scared. People are scared. Oh, look, Delta Airlines. Let's see what they're doing. They're up today. Wow. They went up $1. Oh, and it's a great day because the Supreme Court ruled the OSHA mandates for employers unconstitutional, which, I feel like, someone should be getting in trouble for these unconstitutional things that they're fucking pulling in office. And they're destroying the stock market, but it's not just Biden. Trump also played a part in destroying the stock market. I mean, yeah, he made it do the V-shaped recovery, but it also V fucked us in the ass with that one by stimulating everything. They locked down the country. They gave everybody a bunch of money. They spent their money, but since they locked the country down, there was no supply. So everybody bought everything, and then everything's locked down, so there's nobody making the things that people are buying, and it caused prices to soar, go up, inflation, cause inflation. And Peter Schiff was saying 2021 inflation is from Trump's stimulus, and then 2022 is going to be Biden's stimulus and spending. So there's more inflation to come. U.S. House panel subpoenas social media firms in Jan 6 attack probe. Wow. Twitter's going down. Oh my god, Twitter's only $38 a share. Oh my goodness. It's a good time to get in on that Twitter action. Let's see what Twitter, see if it's undervalued. Let's see if Twitter's undervalued. Still saying it's overvalued. Don't even have a PE ratio. Are they not making money? Twitter earnings. Wow, they're losing money. Well, they lost money the September quarter. They lost $500 million from June to September 2021. But they made $65 million in that second quarter. They made $68 million in the first quarter of 2021. They made wow. They're doing good, and now they're just doing horrible. Wonder what happened. Maybe it's because they became a bunch of socialist communists. Negative EPS. Alright, no thank you. Let's see what Facebook's got for us. So Facebook is still undervalued. Dropped $10 pretty much today. See, I would be buying these stocks up if I had money. I'd be buying Facebook. I just feel like, actually maybe one day, people aren't going to use Facebook anymore. That's why they're trying to innovate on this meta platform. Microsoft is down. It's a good time to buy some Microsoft. I'm going to get some. It's only $300. So in the last 3 months, it's gained $10. It lost $13. So what you need to do is buy gold and silver, right? Gold, silver, VT, VTI, SPY, VU, and maybe some F-Tech, some Fidelity ETFs they got going on. They're pretty good. And, they're going to do good on their ETFs because they got all these people on their brokerage, and they want to do good for their brokerage, so they're going to do good on their index funds. Facebook is doing good. Like, they got a good EPS, like, kind of good, but it's good with their PE ratio, you know? I just don't trust these, like, communist platforms they got going on. Wow, look at all this. Apple's down again. The Shafa. 1411. Thanks, Jeremy LaFufu. You know, anytime Jeremy LaFufu talks about a stock, I should just short it, because you're going to make some money. Not if you buy it, though. If you buy it, you're going to lose money. I mean, maybe now that, you know, it's like dropping so much, it might go back up one day, but I wouldn't trust it. It's just a frozen food, vegan company. And I really don't like vegan food. So why would I support a company that I don't like? I mean, it's not that I don't like them, I just don't like to eat all vegan, you know? But I support the vegans. I like their movement. And I might get some more Alibaba stock once I get paid. See how Amazon's doing. Ooh, Amazon, it's a near fair value, so like it's right in the middle there, so Amazon has a fair value. It's got a good EPS. The PE's a little high, but for a company this size, that's pretty normal. I mean, if you look at Tesla, their EPS is like 1 million. Just kidding. It's only like 200. EPS, you want an EPS around 16 to 30. But that just means that, you know, they're building their company up. So one day that they may have a better EPS, you know. The market, oh, and Snapchat, you know, $38 a share. That shit, I'm really sad about Snapchat going down. It just keeps dropping. Apparently, Snapchat, it's a shit company, like, apparently to these, like, people that analyze it. I thought it was a pretty good company, but, you know, they didn't get so much growth in one quarter. And that's why, like, businesses and companies are so, like, greedy. Like, the only way for their stock to do good is if they just, like, crush these quarters. And that's, like, every, 4 months? Like, that's insane. Like, can't you just take a chill pill and not lose all your freaking shareholders? Well, you don't need to sell a stock because they didn't get, like, 1 million, 10 million new customers on their platform. They didn't make $20 billion. But yeah, Snapchat's actually losing money, so I understand. But by 2023, they're going to be making money. Anyways, that's all I got for today. I guess have a good day, a good night, whenever you're watching this.